Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a test on the Hollyland Lark M1 digital wireless microphone. I've got one right here. Just got it. We're going to unbox it and then I'm going to do a sound test. So I'm going to connect this up to my GoPro and we'll hear the difference between what I'm talking, how I'm talking now, which is just right into the GoPro, and then how it sounds when I'm actually using this. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna get the plastic off here, and I'll show you what's inside the box, and then we'll get it charged up and we'll see what it looks like. So let's open this up. I hear these are really good for recording sound, and they grab everything. So this will be a good test to see how it actually is. So in the box, we've got the case here. Let's open this up. There's a divider and then some adapters that come with this. Actually, some cables as well. Get this one out here. So we've got a USB to USB-C. We've got the 3.5 to 3.5, and then we've got another 3.5 to 3.5. This one is a TRS to TRRS patch cable. Instructions and documents here. Quick guide to get started. We've got these fuzzy guys here that go over the mics, and then we've got the unit itself. So it looks pretty nice, kind of a glossy feel to the case. Open it up, it looks like it's got a full charge, so that's nice. And then the clips itself, which are fairly small. That's the connector there. All right, so, and charging ports on the bottom. So we'll connect this up and we'll see what it sounds like. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I've got this connected up. I currently have the mic on my t-shirt, and this is really just a test on the sound so you can hear what the sound sounds like. So we unbox this up. I've got both of these connected up here. So that should be it. This is the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks.